Hey guys, so today's video is going to be what I packed for camp. I'm going to camp for a month and I'm so excited. So this is everything that I am bringing with me. I have made this video for 3 years in the past, so I will put links to all 3 of those videos down below. I also filmed a camp haul this year. I filmed it a couple days ago, so I'll put a link to that as well. If you want to see some of the stuff that I'm bringing in further detail or just it explained and everything like that, make sure to check out that video. So yeah, I really hope that you guys are all excited to see this video because I am so excited to make it and to go to camp, and I know that all of you guys are too. I love watching camp videos, and especially the first summer that I went to camp, I watched literally every camp video that existed, but there weren't enough, so I hope that you guys all enjoy seeing one more camp video. So yeah, let's just jump right into everything that I am bringing to camp. Starting with clothes, I have 3 sweatshirts. So this one's from Urban Outfitters. It's like maroon and it's kind of velvet. I love it. I think that it's so cute. And then I have one from Jackson Hole, Wyoming that my mom's friend got me. And then one for my camp. This one's like light, this one's like medium, and this one is heavier. And then I have a bunch of pairs of pants. So I have sweatpants for my school, then these like fun flowy pants. I have a pair of jeans from American Eagle. I have a pair of flannel pajama pants that are super comfy, and then these sweatpants, and I'm also going to bring my Lululemon leggings. Then I have a bunch of pairs of shorts. So I have some Nike ones, these like flowy denim ones that I love because they're so comfy, but they're also pretty cute. I have another pair of Nike shorts, a pair of athletic shorts, and then I have 3 pairs of jean shorts from American Eagle. Then I have my long sleeve shirt, so I just have this flannel, which is really nice for throwing over stuff if it's like a medium temperature day. Then I just have 2 long sleeve shirts. This one is from my school, and this one is from Vineyard Vines, and then I have a flannel. Then I have a ton of t-shirts, just more t-shirts than you could ever imagine. A bunch from my school, a bunch from my camp, just a bunch of different t-shirts because I wear one of these pretty much every day. Then I have 2 beach towels. I have my rain jacket from the North Face. I have this bag that just has bras, underwear, and socks in it. Not too interesting. And then I have, here's my bag, and then I just have a like pop-up laundry hamper on the bottom. So those are my clothes. For shoes, I'm bringing these Nike sneakers. I brought these to camp every year that I've gone because I got them when I was in like 6th grade or something. So yeah, they're still going strong, surprisingly. Then I'm bringing some moccasins, which are super comfy. And then I'm bringing my trusty Crocs, and I put a ton of gibbets in them. I actually ordered a second pair of Crocs. I ordered them like 2 weeks ago, but they're still coming after I'm gonna go to camp, so I guess my mom will mail them to me at camp. I have a pair of flip-flops for the shower. And I have this Nike duffel bag that I'm putting the rest of my stuff, like besides clothes and towels and bedding and stuff. So I have a hamper, which I already showed. But then I also have some Tide Pods in there now, and then I have my shower caddy. So this is like a 2-in-1, which I love because I just bring this stuff like in the morning and at night when I'm like brushing my teeth and everything like that. So I have my toothbrush and toothpaste little set. I have face wash and my wreath cleaner. Then on this side I have like my non-shower toiletries. So I have deodorant, a hairbrush, leave-in conditioner, bug spray, some Vaseline, and some hair ties on there, and then sunscreen. And then on this side I have body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and then some razors. So that is everything for like the big part of this bag. And then on the sides in here I have all my shoes, which I already showed, and then here I just have a bunch of extra stuff. So in here I have a baseball hat that just has a bunch of headbands and bandanas and everything like that. It's just a super fun Vineyard Vines baseball cap. And then I have some paper. I have a bug band. Then I have some envelopes. I have a extra flashlight. I have some extra batteries, and then I just have swimsuits. So I have these little shorts to wear like over my swimsuit if I want to do that. Then I have this black swimsuit, a navy blue one that I just got, and then a tie-dye navy blue one. And yeah, that is everything that I have in this bag. Now onto my backpack. So I'm gonna have this with me, but I'm taking the train up there. And then I'm also just going to have it with me, like take it around with me at camp. So some of the stuff I'm going to take out since I'm not going to need them at camp, and I'll probably put a couple things in, like my bug spray and flashlights and everything, because I want to have them with me at all times. So the first thing is just some paper on a clipboard so I can write letters anytime. Then I have my Bible. I have a notebook journal, which I really like. It says notebook. I think that is very cute. I have a book that I have to read for school. I'm not really too excited to read it. It's called Devil in the White City, and it's like about a serial killer and a fair. Not too interesting, but I need to read it for AP Lang, so wish me good luck with that. Then I just have a pencil case down there. In here I have some stamps, and then just a bunch of pens and pencils. I have some envelopes in there and Post-it. And then in here I have my wallet and headphones just for the way up there. Then I have some stickers, which I'm going to buy a Nalgene water bottle. This is my plan last year, but then it didn't work because they had only small water bottles and I wanted a big one. But this year they are going to have big water bottles at the camp store, so I brought some stickers so that I can buy one of those in cover and stickers. Then I have another band and has some playing cards. That's all for this little section. In that section I just have tampons and pads, and then in here I have Afterbite for when I get bug bites. And then I have a flashlight. That is everything that I'm taking to camp. I really hope that you guys all enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know what video you guys want to see next, and I will see you guys in a month.